Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. Today we will find out the curved surface area of a cone by using integration. So this is a cone and the slant height of this cone is L and the radius of this cone is R. And we know that the curved surface area of this cone is pi RL, and how this pi RL has come, today we will look into that. What I'll do is I'll cut this cone from here, okay, and I will open it. So if I'll open it, the curved surface area of this cone will look like this. So now whatever is the surface area of this shape, that will be the curved surface area of this cone. So I'll bring this shape down, and the dimension of this shape is that this is the slant height L, okay, because this is the slant height and that is why this length will be L. And now this length will be 2 pi r, because this is the circumference of this base of this cone. So this length from here to here will be 2 pi r, where the r is the radius of the base of the cone. Okay, so I'll again take a small triangle on this shape. Okay, the length of this base of this triangle is dx, and this dx is so small that this is almost equal to 0. Okay, I will bring this triangle down and I will zoom into it. Now what will be the dimension of this triangle? The height of this triangle from here to here will be nothing but L, because this height of this triangle is L, and the base of this triangle is dx. Okay, because dx is very small, that is why I have taken it as a straight line. Now the area of this triangle is nothing but half into L into dx. Okay, so dx is base and L is the height of this triangle. So now what will be the area of this full shape? I have to add all the triangles. Okay, I will start from here and keep on adding all the triangles till I'll reach to this place. Now see, I have added all the triangles. Okay, so this will give me the area of this shape. So we call this process as integration. Okay, so I will start from here. Here the value of x will be 0, and when I'll keep on going till this place, the value of x will become 2 pi r. Okay, so now the area of this shape will be integration from 0 to 2 pi r and integration of this triangle dA, this single triangle. Okay, dA, this is small triangle. I have zoomed it here. Now what I will do is I'll put the value of dA here. Okay, so now this integration will become 0 to 2 pi r half L dx. Okay, because L and half is constant, so it can come out of this integration. So now this will be half L is outside of the integration. Now it will become 0 to 2 pi r dx. Now we all know that the integration of dx is nothing but x. Okay, so it will become half L multiplied by x. Now the limit will be 0 to 2 pi r. Okay, so this is the limit 0 to 2 pi r. So now I will put the limit inside. Okay, so it will be half L multiplied by upper limit minus lower limit. So this is upper limit 2 pi r minus lower limit 0. So this is the lower limit. So 2 pi r minus 0 will be nothing but 2 pi r. Okay, so it will be half into L multiplied by 2 pi r. Now you can cancel half and half. Okay, now what you are left with? Pi r and L. Okay, so now the area of this shape is nothing but pi RL. And what is the area of this shape? The area of this shape is the area of curved surface area of this cone. Okay, so this is how we have calculated the curved surface area of this cone as pi RL. Okay, so to watch such interesting videos, please subscribe to my channel and also share this video with your friends.